Namaste. Prepare yourself. Stanga opening mantra. Samastiti. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarsita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nisreyase Jangalika Yamane Samsara Halahala Mohashante Abahu Pursakaram Sankichakrasitharinam Sahasra Sirsam Svetam Pranamami Patanjalim Hold on for a second. Simple standing prayer pose. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini inhale head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, one, two, three, four, five. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini inhale, head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, one, two, three, four, five. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Last one. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, one, two, three, 4, 5. Saptajam inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, hands up, Samastiti. Sunset is B. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Trini inhale, head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, Sapta right leg hands up, inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, Dasa exhale, Ekadasa inhale, left leg hands up, Dwadasa exhale, Trayodasha inhale, Chaturdasa exhale, hold, don't move. Look your navel, once again 5 breathing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasa inhale, jump forward, Sodasha exhale, Saptadasha inhale, hands up, look your thumb, Samastiti. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Trini inhale, head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, Sapta right leg inhale, hands up, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, Dasa exhale, Ekadasa left, inhale, hands up, Dwadasa exhale, Trayodasha inhale, Chaturdasa exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha inhale, jump, Sodasha exhale, Saptadasha inhale, hands up, Samastiti. Last one. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Trini inhale, head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, Sapta right leg inhale, hands up, Asto exhale, inhale, Dasa exhale, Ekadasa left inhale, hands up, Dwadasa exhale, Trayodasa inhale, Chaturdasa exhale. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha jump inhale, Sodasha exhale, Saptadasha inhale, hands up, Samastiti. Padangushthasana. Ekam inhale, hold your toe, big toe, Doi exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale, exhale hold, Padahastasana, inhale Ekam, Dvi exhale, neck straight, length your spine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini inhale, exhale, Samastiti. Stand up, close your feet. Uttita Trikonasana, 3 feet only. Ekam inhale, right leg back. Dvi exhale, hold your right big toe. Hastagra Drishti, look your upper hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale, Chatwari exhale, left side. Hastagra Drishti, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale, B. Dvi exhale, left hand, cross your right ankle, look your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini inhale, Chatwari exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale, Samastiti. Uttita Parshakonasana, Ekam right leg back, inhale, Dvi exhale, behind, look your left palms, 1, back side leg strong, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, left side, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale. B. Dve, exhale. Left elbow. Cross your right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale. Samasthiti. Prasarita Paduttanasana A. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Drop your hands. Keep you parallel. Inhale, head up. Trini, exhale, head center. Elbow parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale, head up. Exhale. Pancha, inhale. Relax. B. Ekam, inhale, hand shoulder level. Come starting position. Dve, exhale. Again inhale. Trini, exhale. Head center. Top your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale, stand up. Exhale. C. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, interlock behind. Again inhale. Trini, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale. Exhale. D. Inhale, Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, hold your toe. Inhale, head up. Trini, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale up, head up. Exhale. Pancha, inhale. Samasthiti. Parsha Uttanasana. Ekam, hand back, prayer pose. Reverse. Dve, exhale. touch nose and forehead. If you can, touch your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 knee inhale. Left side, Chatwari exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale. Samasthiti. Pincha Mayurasana. Ekam inhale. Raise your hand. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Sat exhale. Sapta jump. Exhale. Place forearms parallel toward each other on the ground. Asto inhale. Lift up your leg. Pincha Mayurasana. 5 breathe. Gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Navacham back. Dasa inhale. Ekadasha exhale. Karandava Asana. Sapta jump forward, balancing on straight arms. Exhale. Place forearms parallel toward each other on the ground. Asto inhale. Lift up your leg. Once again, Pincha Mayurasana. Fold leg in a lotus position and lower your knee toward. Nava exhale. Come down. 5 breathe. Gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa inhale up. Roll up all the way against into Pancha Mayurasana. Gaze your nose. Ekadasa jump back. Exhale. Chaturanga Dandasana. Dvadasha inhale. Triyodasha exhale. Chaturdasa jump. Panchadasa exhale. Samasthiti. Mayurasana. Ekam inhale. Look up. Dvi exhale. Trini inhale. Chatwari jump back. Pancha Mayurasana. To the body, balance the weight evenly on your elbow. Pancha inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sapta exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Asto jump forward. Nava exhale. Take your head deep between the arm. Samasthiti. Nakrasana. Ekam, inhale, raise your arms. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, jump forward 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set, inhale. Sapta, exhale. Asto, jump forward. Nava, exhale. Samastiti. Vatayanasana. Ekam, inhale, right leg, half lotus. Lock with right hand. Dve, exhale, both hands down to ground. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, jump back. Draw, don't drop your body. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, jump. Lower down, left foot point out, right knee next to the left foot. Take right arms over your left arms. Interlock the arms. Raise them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Asto up. Nava, Chatwari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Change your leg please. Use your right hand. Dwadasha, jump again. Opposite side. Now this time lower down, right foot point out, left knee next to the right foot. Take left arms over the right arms. Interlock your arms. Raise them up again. 1, 2, little bit push hip forward. Go higher as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Trayodasha, lift into balance up. Chaturdasha, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Panchadasha, Urdhvamukha Svanasana. Shodasha, Adhomukha Svanasana. Saptadasha, jump. Astadasha, exhale. Take back your hand. Catch your toe. Ekonamsadi, inhale. Exhale. Vimsadi, inhale. Samastiti. Parighashana. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, jump. Extended left leg wide to the side. Well, inhale. Hand to the waist, straight back. Then take left hand to the right knee. Asto, exhale. Left hand grab the inside of the left foot. 5, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sit up, hand to waist, exhale. Dasa lift up, Ekadasa Chatwari, Dwadasha inhale, Triyodasha exhale, Chaturdasha jump left side. Inhale, opposite side, Panchadasha exhale, right hand grab the inside of the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha inhale, sit up, hand to waist again. Exhale, place hand on the floor, lift. Saptadasha inhale, Astodasha Chatwari, Eko Nava Vimsadi inhale, Vimsadi exhale. Gomukhasana, Saptajam, knee straight. Asto exhale, bend both legs, take right knee over the left, close heel under your buttock. Take hands around the right knee, chin to chest, straight back. 5 breathe. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto exhale. Gomukhasana B. Nava inhale. Take right arms up, left arms down. Grab hands behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Place hand on the floor. Dasa inhale up. Ekadasa Chatwari, Dwadasha inhale, Triyodasha exhale, Chaturdasha jump left side. Exhale, sit down. Inhale, straight leg. Once again bend, come to Gomukhasana. Panchadasha exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha inhale. Take left hand up, right arms down. Grab hand behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha inhale. Exhale. Saptadasha inhale up. Astadasha exhale. Eko Nava Vimsadi inhale. Vimsadi exhale. Supta Urdhva Pada Vajrasana. Sapta Jantru. Lay down. Asto inhale. Both leg lift. Exhale. Right foot in lotus position. Take right hand behind your back, grab the right foot. Exhale, roll up. Nava, inhale, balance on your buttock. One, two, three, four, five. Exhale. Dasa, inhale, lift up. Ekadasa Chatvari. Dwadasa, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, jump. Sit, exhale. Lay down. Panchadasa, inhale, lift your both leg. Exhale. Now this time left foot lotus position. Take left hand behind your back. Lock. Shodasha, inhale, roll up. Exhale. One, two, three, four, five. Exhale. Saptadasha, inhale up. Astodasha Chaturanga Dandasana. Eka Nava Vimsadi Adho Swanasana. Vimsadi, exhale. Adho Swanasana. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana A. Sapta. Jump. Asto, inhale. Lift straight your leg. One, two, three, four, five. Nava, exhale, Chaturanga. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana B. Sapta, jump. Asto, inhale. Toes point. One, two, three, four, five. Nava Chatvari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, inhale. C. Sapta. Jump. Exhale, knee down, set up your arms in place. Please hit into the floor, draw a straight leg towards you. Asto, inhale, lift straight leg. One, two, elbow straight. Three, four, five. Nava Chatvari. Dasa, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddha Hasta Sirsasana A. Sapta, jump. Jump forward, balancing straight arms. Exhale. Interlock your finger. Asto, inhale. Lift leg straight. One, two, three, four, five. Nava Chatvari. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddhahasta Sirsasana B. Saptajam. Lock your hand front side. Asto, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift hip. 5, Nava Chaturanga Dandasana. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddhahasta Sirsasana C. Saptajam. Forearms. Asto, inhale. Lift your leg. 1, 2, toes point. 3, 4, 5. Lower down slowly. Nava, exhale. Chaturanga Dandasana. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddhahasta Sirsasana D. Elbow balance. Saptajam. Exhale. Prepare yourself. Asto, inhale. Lift straight leg. 5, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava Chatwari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Urdhva Dhanurasana, Saptajam. Lay down. Asto, prepare. Bend your knee, hand back under your shoulder. Nava, inhale, rise. Head back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha, exhale. Walk hand forward. Come again. Up. Nava, inhale, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha, exhale, little in more. Hands enter. Again come. Last one. 1, 2. Knee little close, come parallel. 3, 4, 5. Dasha, up. Inhale, stand up. If you cannot, you can lay down. Samastiti. Drop back. Prayer position. Go back, inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale. Inhale, slowly come prayer pose, Samasthiti. Second time. Inhale, go back. Exhale, elbow straight, drop hand. Inhale up, come to prayer pose, Samasthiti. Now last one, steady yourself. If it's possible, drop hand. If you can, directly go near ankle, closer or lock, catch. Inhale, exhale, any position as far as you can place. 5 breathe. 1, 2, little knee straight. 3, 4, 5. Dasha, inhale, come to prayer position. Palm on your waist. Exhale, Samasthiti. Paschimottanasana. Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. Chatvari, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha Adha Mukha Svanasana. Set Adho Mukha Svanasana. Paschimottanasana. Sapta, jump through, leg straight forward. Asto, catch your wrist. Exhale, fold in, drop your chest, drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, relaxing your breath. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, head up. Exhale. Dasha, lift up. Ekadasha, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dwadasha, inhale. Triyodasha, exhale. Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Salamba, Sarvangasana. Sapta, jump through. Exhale, lay down flat. Asto, inhale, lift your leg, shoulder strand. 1, gaze your toe. 2, 3, 4, don't move your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halasana. Asto, exhale. Lower your leg to point it. 1, interlock your finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lift your hip. 7, palm together. 8. Karna Pidasana. Asto, exhale. Bend your knees, cover your ear, closer. Hand position same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nava Urdhva Padmasana. Lift your leg straight. Hold it into lotus. Resting your knee, palms on your hands. 1. Spine straight, elbow straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pindasana. Now exhale, lower down, knee beside your ear. Catch your wrist or catch your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Matsyasana. Now exhale, down your spine, drop your hip, lift your chest, support your elbow, head back, catch your toe, keep your arms straight. 1, 2, kiss your nose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thana Padasana. Nava inhale. Extend your leg. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. Dasa Chakrasana. Leg behind your head, rolling back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha inhale. Dwadasha exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, prepare headstand for Sirsasana. Headstand. Asto inhale, lift up your leg, get your leg to point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Half bend. Now exhale, lower the leg 90 degree toe point. 1, gaze your nose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your leg one place, don't move. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasa inhale, starting position, leg up. Exhale, slowly lower down, sitting on your knee, and hip drop comfortably your heel. Balasana, child pose, hand back. Ekadasha exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Dwadasha inhale, Paryodasha exhale, Baddha Padmasana. Sapta jump through, straight leg forward. Asto. Take a lotus pose, Padmasana. Right leg first. Wrapping the arms, left leg. Yoga Mudra. Nava, exhale. Folding forward. Gaze your nose. Drop your head and possible drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow inhale coming up. Extend the arms. Palm place on your knee. Keep your Gyan Mudra position. Chin down, lower belly in. 1, 2, pelvis straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Utputtihi. Nava, inhale, lift up, gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, lower down. Dasa, inhale, lift up. Ekadasa, jump back. Dwadasa, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Triyodasa, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Chaturdasa, hell jump. Panchadasa, exhale. Shodasa, inhale. Samastiti. Lay down. Support your elbow. Relax completely. Thank you for your practice. Keep practicing, guys. See you soon with another lesson. Take care. Namaste.